What up, y'all? It's your boy Beamy with Beamy and Jay. Jay ain't here today, so you know what that means. It's a shoe review day. So let's unbox this right here. Get to it. And then if y'all haven't commented, subscribed, or liked this video, I better hurry up and get it. So it comes with a receipt, y'all, from opening ceremony bought in March 9th of 2019. Think you can figure it out? Yezzy 700s. You see the box, size 11. It's right here. Man, so these were on my list for a while. That retail price is $300. I couldn't do it, so I waited it out. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes in the shoe game, you gotta wait it out. Sometimes you don't always need to be the first one to get them. So these definitely pay off, you dig. These are the Yezzy 700s Inertia, and man, these are nice. These are nice. As you can see, you got the toe box right here. Got the suede, man. This suede is nice. It's nice and supple, buttery, like a baby's bottom. So you see the sole right here. You got the hits of salmon. No reflectors right here. I'm gonna try to take a picture of these and put this in the video so y'all can see where they reflect at. If you haven't seen them already, I know there are plenty of videos out on these, but there ain't Beamy's videos out on these, so Beamy had to do his own. So yeah, man, as you can see, you got the whole boost right here, peeking through. And I say this is more of a cream color sole at the very bottom. And you got this same suede right here matches this tongue right here, which is a good look. And you got the suede hits right back here too. Collar is real nice and firm. This leather is real supple, man. I can see why they charge $300. The quality is A1. You got the Yezzy Ortholites right here. You see that? And then of course you got the boost on the inside right here, and you got the Yeezys on the inside right there, made in India. So that's what it is, man. I think these came out really well. Like I said, I had my eyes on these for a while, but it's always best to try to pay low, not pay high if you don't have to. Patience is the key. So that's what these was. I actually picked these up on eBay. Has a deal right now where they're not charging sellers a fee for selling their shoes on their platform. So with that, they gave users coupons for 25% off if you purchase a shoe of $250 or above. And I had one in my possession. I said, hey, I think, let me see what I can do. Let me see what damage I can do for the right price. So these were bids. I think they started off at like maybe $325, and hey, I started low. I got in touch with my homeboy Aaron. You know, he's real big on the shoe game, and I was like, hey bro, how much should I start off at? He's like, bro, start off at $275. So anyway, I got up to $305, and I was like, hey man, come on, let's do this. So he's like, he bid, and we made the deal, and I bought them, and I think with the coupon it came out to like $246. So I think $246 for these is not a bad deal at all, man. The quality is A1. I mean, I'm glad to have these in my collection, man. I'm really glad. I'm gonna put it like this. I think I'm gonna try to look for some other 700s. I really like the magnets. So with that being said, it's time for an on.
What up? It's your girl Jay from Beamy and Jay. Beamy be trying to leave me out his shoe reviews, but not today. I just came to stop by and said, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Hit the notification bell down below for my boy Beamy. He loves shoes, y'all. Like, he really be doing this thing. What's funny is like he does shoe reviews from time to time, but like he will have 50 pairs of shoes come into his one shoe review. So dude really be doing this thing. He really loves shoes. It's his passion. So make sure you subscribe. I'm sure he's gonna have a lot more to come.